Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to see a very popular Mumbai street food, and it's Keema Pav. This Mumbai style green Keema Pav originated in the Irani and Parsi restaurants of Mumbai. The minced mutton or keema is slow cooked with lots of spices and a spicy green paste that sets this dish apart from the other keema recipes. And friends, this keema pav recipe is best enjoyed with pav or buns as the name suggests. So let's get started with this mouth-watering Mumbai style keema pav recipe. And here in this bowl I have taken 500 grams of mutton keema or minced meat, and I have included some mutton fat as well, which will give a rich taste and texture to our keema as they get cooked along with the fat. And now we will do a basic marination by adding 2 tablespoons of thick curd or dahi. For seasoning, we will add some salt as per taste, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder, half teaspoon of red chilli powder, and 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. And now we will mix all the ingredients well so that they are well combined with the mutton keema. And we will let them marinate for at least 1 to 2 hours. And now we'll prepare the spicy green paste. For that we'll take a mixer jar, and into it we will add lots of coriander leaves or dhania patta. Then goes 12 to 15 pudina or mint leaves. I'm adding now 8 to 10 palak or spinach, which I have blanched in hot water. Then we'll add 3 large garlic pods, 1 inch of ginger, 4 to 5 green chillies, as we need to make a spicy green paste, but you can add green chillies as per your spice level. We'll add now a splash of water and blend this into a smooth paste. Let's check now. This is smelling so good right now. We'll transfer the paste into a bowl. So our spicy green paste is ready, and now we shall start with the cooking process. For that we'll heat around 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan, and when the oil is hot enough we will add 1 bay leaf or tej patta, 2 inch of cinnamon stick or dalchini, 2 green cardamoms or elaichi, 3 cloves or long, and few cumin seeds or sabut jeera. We'll let them crackle for a while. And now into this we will add 5 to 6 tablespoons of minced onion, ginger, garlic, and on medium flame we will saute them until the raw taste of onion, ginger, garlic goes away and they turn golden brown in color. For that we'll keep on stirring them in between until they are well browned. And once the onion, ginger, garlic are fried well, we will add the marinated mutton keema into the pan. And now we need to saute the mutton keema along with the spices on high flame for first 5 minutes until the color changes. We'll keep on stirring the keema and fry on high flame until the water from the mutton keema dries out. And once the water from the mutton dries out, we'll reduce the flame to medium and saute the keema for another 5 to 6 minutes. And by now the keema has turned brown in color and is well fried. At this stage we will cover the pan with a lid and cook the keema on low to medium flame for about 10 to 12 minutes. After about 12 minutes we will check the keema and stir them well. You can see oil has started to separate from the mutton fat, and we need to cook the keema further with this mutton fat, which will greatly enhance the taste of our keema. And now time to add our spicy green chutney or paste which we had prepared earlier. Keeping the flame on medium, we will now saute the spicy and flavorful green paste for another 2 to 3 minutes until it's well combined with the mutton keema. The paste is well sauteed with the keema, and now we'll add some salt, not much as we had added salt at the time of marination also. Then goes 1/4 teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon of roasted cumin or jeera powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of coriander or dhania powder. We'll stir and mix the spices well for another 2 minutes on low to medium flame. And once the keema is well sauteed with all the spices and the spicy green paste and is 80% cooked, we'll add some green peas. I've used here frozen green peas. We'll now stir and cook the green peas along with the keema for another 2 to 3 minutes on low to medium flame. And now I will add some water from the bowl where I had kept the spicy green paste. You can adjust the consistency and add more water if required, as we don't want our keema to dry out completely. And now again we will cover and cook the keema on low flame for about 8 to 10 minutes so that the mutton fat dissolves and the keema gets cooked along with the dissolved fat. Let's check the keema now. So you can see the oil has separated from the mutton fat and the keema is cooked well along with it. And lastly, I will add a teaspoon of my homemade garam masala powder, which will further enhance the flavor of our keema to the next level. And I always prefer to use freshly prepared garam masala for that aroma and flavor which you can't get in the packaged ones. And just before serving, I will add a small cube of butter and some chopped coriander or dhania. That's it. A Mumbai style green keema pav is now ready to be served and enjoyed hot with some toasted pav or buns with butter, accompanied by onion rings and lemon wedges. So friends, I hope you will try this mouth-watering recipe soon. Also share your feedbacks and subscribe to my channel for more interesting recipes in future. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye-bye, take care and stay safe.